on the 31st of January 2025. That judgment led to the restructuring of the courts martial and the subsequent appointments of officers who have just taken oath today. In the absence of the courts martial that were existing prior to the passing of the above mentioned judgment, the UPDF leadership has for now a span of 1 year period relied on the disciplinary measures to maintain the discipline of the force. It is one of the most celebrated militaries on the African continent. And how did we manage 1 year without the court sitting? We have the standing operating procedures for each unit, and then we have the non-judicial procedures. Every commanding officer, every commander has to sit. Actually, we have not experienced a lot of indiscipline because of the absence of the courts. No. I wish to thank the Attorney General and his team for the tremendous efforts in the process of making the UPDF Amendment Act 2025 a success. In that vein, I extend my gratitude to the Parliament of Uganda for passing the Act. On a special note, I wish to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda for assenting to the Act. I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to the Judicial Service Commission for having diligently assessed the UPDF lawyers who were presented by the High Command and successfully selected the competent judicial officers in whom I have no doubt that they will effectively execute their judicial functions. My sincere thanks goes to the Land Principal Judge for sparing your time from your busy schedule and professionally presiding over the swearing-in ceremony of the courts martial judicial officers of the UPDF. And with those few words, I thank you all. I will continue for God and my country.
My Lord, allow me at this juncture to invite the Inspector General of Government